Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of this session, we are going to talk about how exactly we can upload files using this particular playwright. A best example for this one is if you look at this particular screen, okay, this Heroku application, you do have an option to choose a file. You can choose this particular file. The file got uploaded, and click on an upload. Automatically, it will be saying that the file is uploaded, right? So, this is the application where exactly you want to deal with it. How can you upload a particular file? See, basically, there are a few key points that we need to consider from here. You can select input files for upload using a setInputFiles method. It expects the first argument to point to the input file. So, what exactly the file location you are specifying, you just need to specify that as an input argument. And moreover, the most important thing is this will be working on an input tag. So, if at all the tag is an input, then only this will be working on. Okay, perfectly all right. So let's jump on to our source code, and I just want to create a new file. I'm copying my source demo application flow, and I'm trying to create a new program. This time I'm just naming it as, okay, this time I'm just naming it as example file upload. Okay, I just created a spec file with the name as a example file upload. So this time I just need to open this particular application. As of now, guys, I want to upload a single file. Later I will be uploading a multiple files. For now, I'm just gonna upload a single file itself. So we have a two different options. One is you can upload a single file, and the second one is you can upload a multiple files. The method is one and the same, which is a set input files. If at all you are passing a single parameter as an input for this one, it will upload the single file. If you pass a array as an input, then all the array values will be uploaded. Perfectly all right. So I have written a program that will be opening this particular stuff. Okay, that will be opening this particular stuff, and it is closing this application. Now here, if you observe directly, if you click on a choose a file, the pop-up is populating where you need to select the file. Okay, where exactly you need to select the file. So that's the reason on this particular element itself, I will be using that set input files. If you look at it, this element is having an ID. So come back here, await page dot locator. Okay, that's what the locator that you need to deal with it. So this is what the locator is, a file upload dot set input files. So I'm just want to set my input files. So here you can specify any file. Okay, you can specify any file. So this time what it is trying to do is from the tester directory, it's trying to upload one specific file, but I don't want to go with this file. I have created two PDF files in this particular location, which is image1.pdf, and the second two is image2.pdf. Okay, so image1.pdf, and the second file is an image2.pdf. Okay, now here in this I just wanna upload image1.pdf. Okay, I just wanna upload my image1.pdf into that. And after choosing this file, you need to click on an upload button. This upload button is also having an ID. So come back here, await. See, my copilot is prompting me the suggestions. I'm just accepting it, but to cross check, right, I'm just adding my locator updated one. That's it. So I just created a program right now. Let me try to run this particular program. So the program that we want to execute here is example file upload. Okay, example file upload a spec. I just want to execute it. Let us see how this is gonna work out. So it's trying to open this particular application, and here step over, it's highlighting that one, and now step over. See here, guys, the file got uploaded. You can see next to the choose file here the file name, right? Perfectly all right. Now press a step over. See, you can see that, see, image1.pdf file uploaded, a confirmation message got a displayed. So this is the way how exactly we can upload a specific file. So upload one file. Okay, perfectly all right. So now what I'm gonna do right now is copy this test, and now I'm putting in another test here within the same spec file, and this time I'm naming it as upload two files. Okay, I'm gonna upload two different files here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna upload two different files in this case, for which I'm just using this application file.io. Copy this URL and update it in your program. And here, as part of this one, I need to, whenever you click on a upload files, directly a pop-up is prompting to select the files, which means I can use a set input files on this one itself. So here it does has an input tag and it does has an ID. Copy this ID. So come back here and locator, and here in this particular one, the set input files, I'm passing it as an array. See here, I'm just passing it as an array, comma separated. I'm passing this as a second value. Okay, image2.pdf. So I'm just giving it as an image1.pdf and as well as an image2.pdf. So if you clearly observe, the key thing here is, for this we are passing it as an input argument array. Okay, so we are just passing it as an input argument array. Okay, perfectly all right. So I don't want to use this upload command again. So this is the only chunk, and as it has two files, I just want to execute only this file. If you remember, we have studied only, right? Only this particular test will be executed. So when I run it this time, whatever the only is there, that will be executing that. So this is the screen. Now if I press a step over, okay, now this is being highlighted, and if you press on it, see, the file uploading is done. You are almost done. Image 1 and image 2, these two files got uploaded successfully. So this is the way how exactly we can upload a specific file, guys. Okay, this is the way how exactly we can upload the specific files. See, basically this is what my image 1 content, this is what my image 2 content is. Of course, this is a test images that I have created. So let's continue the execution. So this is the way how exactly we can upload an image. And additionally, there is a one more chunk, basically in order to remove an image once you have uploaded. For the set input files, if you pass an empty array as an argument, that will be removing those files. So here I'm removing this only from this particular test, and I'm just adding only to my first test. And upon adding this value, okay, upon adding this particular value, or okay, let me create a new test for a better visibility, right? So if I share this one, so it will be easy for you as well to understand. So that's the reason I'm creating a new test here. Okay, and this time my test name is delete uploaded file. Okay, delete uploaded file. So once you are done with the set input files, the same set input files I'm using, this time I'm just passing an empty array. This time I'm just passing it an empty array. If you look at the documentation, they have a given as a set input files, a empty array will be deleting those files. Okay, so now the only file that I'm gonna execute is, this is my first test. I don't want to execute my two files upload. I don't want to execute. I just want to execute only the delete file. Okay, perfectly all right. Let me try to run this program and check it out whether it is uploading this particular file or not. Okay, so if I press a step over, okay, it's highlighting that and it uploaded that. And if I press the step over, the uploaded file got a removed. So this is the way how exactly we can deal with it. Okay, so this is all about how to upload a files and as well as how to delete a particular files, guys. Okay, perfectly all right. See you again in the next lecture. Thank you.